How to change from the cooling mode to heating mode on the ST620 RF or TX. On the thermostat, press the OK button twice to enter the menu. The word Program will appear on the screen flashing. Use the white dial to scroll until you see the word Service. Press OK. You will need to enter the 3-digit PIN 372. Use the white dial to scroll until you reach the required number. Press OK. Repeat this process for the next 2 numbers. Press OK to confirm the password. The screen will now display Service and Off. Press OK to confirm. The screen will now display Cool. Use the white dial to scroll until the word Heat is displayed. Press OK to confirm. The display will return to the home screen. Your device has now changed from the cooling mode to the heating mode.